Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Android files to Windows 11 using Nearby Share, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure both your Android device and Windows 11 PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Android device, navigate to the Settings menu. Scroll down and choose Google. Tap on Device Connections. Select Nearby Share. Toggle the Nearby Share feature to Now, decide who can see your device for file sharing. You can choose from options like all contacts or some contacts. Next, open the file or media you want to share on your Android device. Tap on the share icon, usually represented by three dots connected by lines. From the sharing options, select Nearby Share. Your phone will start looking for nearby devices. On your Windows 11 PC, open the settings. Look for System and then click on Nearby Sharing. Make sure the feature is turned on. Your PC should now be visible to your Android device. Once your PC appears in the list on your phone, tap on it. Wait for your PC to accept the file transfer. You will see a notification on your PC indicating an incoming file transfer. Accept the file on your Windows 11 PC to begin the download. Once completed, your files will be saved in the default Downloads folder. You can now access your transferred files on your PC. That's it. You've successfully transferred files from your Android device to your Windows 11 PC using Nearby Share. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.